My name is Jason Enos, and I'm the CEO of the Empire Group. The thing that makes Empire very unique is how much we do.
Here at Empire, we offer rapid prototyping, CNC machining, prototype production work, mold and cast, injection molding, as well as thermoforming and even fabrication in the form of sheet metal and plastics. We can run the gamut from designing and engineering, all the way through to short-run production.
From the parts end of it, from the mechanism end of it, the working end of it, the painting, the finishing, the design, the engineering, we're a one-stop shop. Every day we are talking to our clients, explaining to them the benefits of 3D printing and the uses of it. It's all about the applications.
From classic additive technologies like SLA and FDM printing to newer printing technologies like multi-jet fusion and even our newest technology, which is micro SLA printing.
I believe a customer choosing Empire has a great choice here, where under this roof there are many different processes and talents that we can bring to bear on just about any project a customer would request.
You can very easily adapt and move around and leverage those technologies to pull off these small miracles where other companies aren't able to do that.
At the Empire Group, customer service is the most important thing to us. We're going to work with you on a personal level to make sure that you're getting the right technology, the right materials, and the right people for your project. The most rewarding part of our job is knowing that the customer left with exactly what they wanted.
The people here truly care about their projects. Customers know that they have a great talent pool to pull from. They know they have top-notch technologies here that can actually be used to execute their projects. And they know that we're very sensitive to their timelines and budgets.
At Empire Group, you're getting more than just a part. We're going to work with you, we're going to educate you through the entire process.
As a production partner with a client, we're their partner. We're going to work with them through any sort of issue they may have. We're going to work with them to improve upon their design. We're going to work with them to look after the best interest.
We're not always going to give you an answer that's best suited for us. We're going to make sure that the answers we're giving you are going to help your project or your needs.